Hello, good people. We have another module, account record view. So before we begin, I request you to subscribe to this channel to get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. The subscription button is on your screen at the bottom right. After this, we shall dive into the first unit. So this has only 4 learning objectives. I encourage you to read the learning objectives. We have notes. Please read the notes. Familiarize yourself with this module. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. True or false, a new contact created directly from an account record is automatically associated with the account. This is true. Which of these actions can be done from an account record? Produce a new account list view, convert a lead to an opportunity, create a new account record, and edit account details. The option is D. So I'll check my quiz. And get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to the channel to get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. Till then, bye-bye.